media. These are literally the best planners that you could invest in, and they're super affordable, so we will get into all of that. Okay, so the very first planner that I'm going to be showing you guys is actually their Instagram planner, and this is just what it looks like. It is so cute. I absolutely love the design on it. It's very sleek and modern. It is mostly black. It has a little bit of touch of pink and white on it. It is a spiral bound notebook, which I really like, and it's nice and really high quality, so you don't have to worry about any pages like ripping out or anything falling apart, which I love. So when you actually very first open up the planner, it does have a whole page that says the vision and a nice huge space to actually write in. And so what I love about this is that it really gives you the opportunity just to really think about like what are you doing, why you're doing it, and really focusing on what are the key parts of your vision and what are you trying to implement into this year, or kind of what's your purpose behind why you have this planner and what you're working towards. So I love that part. I haven't filled mine in yet because I wanted to show you guys the blank copy first. And then the next one is that it has your profile checklist. So this is so great if you are just starting your Instagram, or if you're really working on making sure everything looks professional and actually kind of more branded as opposed to just like a personal account. So it definitely has all of, you know, those display handles. It plans your biography, kind of your profile picture, and what types of links you're gonna have in there. So this whole kind of first part is all about like setting up your Instagram and really making it look professional. So the next part that they go into is story highlights. This is the time where you can plan that. So it does list like the name, the graphic, and what type of content that you're gonna have on there, so you can really just plan and make sure that your Instagram is looking great. And then after that, it goes straight into a hashtag bank. Is that a huge key part in social media is SEO and making sure that you are being very searchable, that the keywords and the hashtags you're using are being highly searched, but they're not too searched that you're gonna get lost in it, but it has that happy medium. So I love that they give you the opportunity in this planner to kind of write out those hashtags before you actually make those posts, so that whenever you're ready to post, you don't have to sit there and like, okay, like what hashtags are gonna work, what isn't gonna work. You already know, you've already done the research, and you're ready to go, and you already have your whole bank of the hashtags that you're ready to use. So the next thing they hop straight into is your vision boards and kind of planning out what you want your feed to look like. So this is a great place to really start focusing on your aesthetic. What kind of pictures do you want? Do you want just all outfit pictures? Do you want to kind of plan to have like a picture far away, close up, medium, get far away again? What does your aesthetic look like? Do you want it clean and white and bright, or do you want it more kind of like those warm rosy tones? This is such a great place to just really jot that down, kind of figure out what you want it to look like, so that whenever you're taking those pictures or editing them, you already know what to expect and you already know what you want. And then after they have kind of that whole setup, your Instagram, making sure everything looks nice and branded, they actually hop straight into your month at a glance. So this is my personal favorite section of the planners, because this really just helps me to plan my content for one, because it's such a huge part of social media, and making sure that your accounts are doing well is that content planning. So the first one that it has is all about your promos. So if you have maybe any brand partnerships, or if you're doing any giveaways, this is a perfect time to just jot those down so that you know exactly what you have going on this month and when you need to film or when you need to upload, get your content for Instagram. And then it has a little challenges box if you're doing any challenges. And then it also talks about improvements. And then down at the bottom, it has any type of collaboration ideas and hashtags that you want to try. And then after that section, it just hops straight into your weeks at a glance. And then another really cool thing that they actually do is they leave all the months in the year blank. I really like that it's not like an already, you know, like 2019 to 2020, or it doesn't already have the months in there, and that you can kind of fill it along as you go. So that's another really cool feature. So that is just kind of a brief little overview of their Instagram.